Alright, this looks like it's a DAZ character, so you can select any part of this. Go up to character converter and load the DAZ map. So what we got here. DAZ 8 female. Male, no head. Do we want head bones? With head. We'll try that one. Yeah. And I want to make a copy of this so I don't damage the original, so I can keep running tests without having to reload the file. If I convert, it will make a copy of everything that you can see here. Everything is selected. And I just export it. And when I'm done, I can just delete this. And then I'm ready to go into Second Life. Now let's upload this here. Missing required level of detail. Alright, so that's not going to look right until we fix it. You have to include joint positions here. This used to not take as long. Alright, so that's not matching the in-world, so let's go fix that. What you have to do is recreation, add a safe rig, and I'm going to shift select this rig here, and I'm going to isolate. I think I should turn my keycap on so you see what I did here. Isolate. And I'm going to match the pelvis up. By scaling. About there. I don't know which one the pelvis is, honestly. I think I have to scale it up a little bit. So I'll just go like an average. I don't know which one it is. I could go a little higher to match the arm joints. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to pose this. So go into pose mode, select all the bones, A, and then Alt R, Alt G, just to make sure there's no pose on it. And I want to get back out of isolation mode. I want to bring these arms up so that they closely match the other one. Let's turn X mirror on and see if the bones are named properly for it. No, so I'm going to have to do each side separate. So I'm not going to do a great job, but I'm sure you will. And then you'll also do the fingers. You'll spread the fingers out, which I'm not going to do, but you will, so that they closely resemble the orientation of the joints on this hand here and on the other side. But you can do that yourself later. I'll go back into pose mode here on this armature. Get a front view so I don't have to dick with angles. And bring the legs in to match the other one. Alright. Don't forget to do the hands. Then I'm going to freeze the mesh so that we keep this pose. To do that, you come down to Rig Tools, and you find Rebind Associated Mesh. I can delete the reference right now, and I will go back into the character converter, make sure make copy is on, convert, export, and delete it. Here we go. Okay, let's try this again. Build, upload, pop this off. Mesh model. And then put these at zeros, these two here. And it should be a little closer. Alright, so that's a lot better. Let's just calculate. And upload it. And wear it. Let's find an animation. Alright, don't forget to do the fingers or they're going to look goofy like this.